Pile of hay. An empty box stall. Where is the horse again? Aha! Stealing again. Yeah, well, behind that door, there's the huge... Yeah, hi Tiki. You little thief. Behind this door, there's the hay. And she knows it. See that? There's the ladder up. And well, it's still dark outside, so that's why it's still dark in here. Can't see shit, maybe, if I turn on. Ah, there's a light, okay. See that? There's a big pile of hay over there. That's the huge pile. And, well, that door, if you close it, gonna turn that light off again. So, there's just a little space underneath. And Chica just loves to steal from there because it tastes much, much more better than, from the pile that she's been given earlier. I think she's picking up all those little crumbs. Okay. So now it's enough. Komm, geh mal nach Hause. Okay? Geh nach Hause, Chica, komm. Chica, komm. Komm, geh mal nach Hause. Aber schnell. Geh mal. Da. It's enough. Come on. Geh nach Hause. Ja, geh nach Hause, geh. Ja, so ist brav, geh. Nach Hause. Nach Hause. So ist brav. Brave Maus. Ja.